friends, today I'll be showing you my baby chickens, or chicks, or chicklings as people say. First chicken I'll be talking about is Torchic. Now, so I'll call her her because she's like all white. She's very white and she's like the cleanest of the bunch and also the smallest. So she's very cute, and also her name is the Pokemon Torchic if you didn't already know it. And she seems so clean, so I'm calling her her. And yeah, she's cute. And also by the way, they were born yesterday or hatched yesterday, so they're all only 1 day old. Now, I think that's it for Torchic, so I'll be letting her go back. Now, I'll give you Albert. Albert, come. Albert, get over here. Albert's the special one of the bunch. As you can see, he's got this little black stripe on the back of his head, and he's got I'll call him a he because he looks cool. So he's got the little black eye pattern, and he's also brown. He's the special one because no one actually looks like him. There are so Shiny and Corn have little spots. So Albert is special because Albert is also special because he's named after Albert Einstein, and he's a very, very smart person. And he was also the first one to actually go after the food and the water. And I guess that's it for Albert right here, so I'll put him back. And he likes to jump off of my hands. Now, I'll give you Shiny. So, Shiny. So, I call her Shiny because she looks like Torchic. She looks like Torchic, but a little bit unsaturated, and she looks like a shiny Torchic because shiny Torchics and shiny Blaziken and Combustions all look a little unsaturated, and so unsaturated means like a little brown and stuff. And she's got this little brown on her head. She was way more brown when she got to my house. Now that's basically it for her, and I'll be putting her back. And now for Corn. Corn is the biggest of the bunch because like he's fluffy. He's fluffy. He's very fluffy and fat, and he's very cute too. So he's also a little unsaturated like Shiny over there. And the way that you tell the difference is that he's got like a bigger head, and he's also like way fluffier, and he's way calmer. So I think that's it for now. We're going on to the habitat. So in here at the bottom we put some cardboard for a little surface for the chicks to walk on, and we also put the paper in there so when they get dirty we can easily change them out and put it back in. So we also put some diapers on the side so it's more comfortable, and so the chicks don't actually like smash their heads into there and like get hurt. And also they can squeeze into a little corner and like produce heat and stuff to get warmer. There are also these two trays, one full of food, which my mom's friend got us, and then there's a water bowl where you have to put rocks in there so the chicks don't drown. So the reason you're gonna have this is because the chicks might think it's the place inside the egg, so they might cover themselves with it and they might drown themselves. Now they pooped. They pooped. Okay. Oh no, I'm probably gonna cut this out. Now this is my little chicks, and now I'm their daddy. You gotta clean up the poop.